welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're talking about something that's humming away in pretty much every home, but we rarely think about it. The water heater.
That's right. And we're going to unpack some really useful info from Pacific Blue Mechanical, especially for folks in places like West Vancouver.
Yeah, our mission here is simple. Cut through the noise and get to the facts.
Exactly. We want to help you understand the different kinds of water heaters out there and how picking the right one, especially for your local area, can save you a whole lot of money and energy.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. The Pacific Blue Mechanical Guide lays out three main types. First up is the tankless water heater.
Right, the on-demand ones. The idea is super simple. It heats the water exactly when you need it.
So no giant storage tank in the closet.
No tank at all. And the big win there is, well, first, you use way less energy because it's not on all the time. And second, they just last longer.
Plus they're small, which is a huge plus.
A massive advantage, yeah.
Right, so next is the one we probably all know. The conventional storage tank.
The classic. They're reliable, everyone's seen one. But they have one really big downside.
And that would be?
Standby energy loss. I mean, you're paying to keep 40 or 50 gallons of water hot all day and all night.
Even when you're asleep or out of the house.
Exactly. And that's where so much energy just gets wasted over time. It really adds up.
And the third one sounds a little like science fiction. The heat pump.
It's pretty cool technology. Instead of making heat, it just moves heat. It actually pulls warmth from the air around it and uses that to heat the water in the tank.
So it's kind of like a refrigerator, but in reverse.
That's a great way to think about it. And because of that, you get these huge energy savings compared to a normal electric water heater.
Okay, so now that we know the types, let's talk strategy. The info from Pacific Blue Mechanical really hones in on why your location, like West Vancouver, is so important.
It's everything. Yeah. Local knowledge is key. You need a system that can handle, the cooler temperatures we have here and also meets all the local rules.
Which can be pretty strict.
Yeah, they can be. And getting a professional to install it means it's safe, it's up to code, and you get to keep your warranty. That's a big deal.
Right, and it all comes back to saving money in the long run. I saw that upgrading to something like a heat pump model can cut your water heating costs by, 30 to 50%?
That's what the research shows. It's a huge saving. You're basically recycling free heat from the air to get your hot shower.
So it really is an investment. It's not just about the monthly bill. A good water heater makes your home more valuable and, more comfortable.
Absolutely. You get reliable hot water, you add value to your house, and you save money. It's a win-win-win.
So the main takeaway here seems to be that choosing smart based on local needs and those efficiency ratings pays off big time.
That's the bottom line. But there's one more thing people forget about. Just regular maintenance.
Ah, yes. The simple stuff.
The really simple stuff that makes a huge difference.
And that actually leads perfectly to our final thought for you to chew on. Did you know that just doing simple maintenance, like flushing the tank to get rid of buildup, can make a regular water heater last up to 50% longer?
It's amazing, isn't it? Such a small thing.
A tiny effort for a massive return on your home's most important systems. All this great insight came straight from the expert guides over at Pacific Blue Mechanical. Thanks for diving deep with us.